Hey everyone, I am Mr. Helper. Today I am going to show you how to download Sabre plugin from official website of Video Copilot and how to install Sabre plugin in Adobe After Effects. So let's get started. Obviously, first I have to show you how to download Sabre plugin. Please check the description of this video. Under download link section, you will get a pretty long link. Click on it. Now under download link section, you will find the Video Copilot Sabre plugin official website link. If you look carefully at the left corner of the screen, it's a Video Copilot link. Click on it. Now scroll down a little bit and click on downloads. Since we are a Windows user, we are downloading Windows. If you are a Mac operating system user, you have to download this one. Although I don't know how to install this plugin in Mac operating system. Anyway, this video is not for Mac users, this is for Windows users. So click on download. Now before I show you how to install Sabre plugin in Adobe After Effects, I am happy to say I have a gaming channel named as Spapno. Link is in the description of this video. All I want is please click on the link and subscribe my gaming channel Spapno. I hope to see you there. So that's been said, let's see how to install Sabre plugin in Adobe After Effects. There are two methods to do this. Default method and custom method. I am going to show you both methods. First I will show you how to install Sabre plugin in Adobe After Effects by using default method. Right click on the Sabre installer file and click on open with and click on choose another application. Now select File Explorer and click on OK. Now drag and drop this file to your desktop. Now close this. Now let's install this plugin. Double click. Click on next. Now check this. If it is not checked, click on this and uncheck this one. Okay. Click on next. Click on next. And click on finish. Now you have installed your Sabre plugin successfully. Let's check does it really installed successfully or not. So as you can see, I am not having effects and preset over here. So I have to check this. Click on window and click on this to get this option effects and preset. Now type Sabre and drag and drop this. So yes, my Sabre plugin installed successfully. But if in your case, if your Sabre plugin does not install successfully, then follow the next method. Okay, let's see how to install Sabre plugin in Adobe After Effects by using custom method. Once again I am showing you how to extract this file. Right click, click on open with and click on choose another app and select File Explorer and click on OK. Now drag and drop this file to your desktop. Now before we install Sabre plugin, first go to the location where you have installed your Adobe After Effects. Now try to find a folder named as plugins. Open it. Now cut the path and close the folder. Now double click on the installer. Click on next. Click on custom and uncheck this one and click on plugin path. Now right click and click on paste and click on select folder. Now click on next. Click on next and click on finish. Now let's check does our Sabre plugin install successfully or not in our Adobe After Effects. Open your Adobe After Effects. Okay, Now click on window and check this. If it is not checked, click on effects and preset. Okay, now let's create a composition. Oh, sorry. So as you can see, now finally we have installed our Saber plugin in our Adobe After Effects. So that's all you have to do to install your Saber plugin in your Adobe After Effects. Before I end this video, I want to remind you once again, I have a gaming channel named as Spapno. Please check the description of this video. There will be my gaming channel links. Please click on the link and subscribe that channel. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you find this video informative. If you do, then make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press that bell button so that you get notification of all my new videos. So until then, take care, have a nice day, and I will see you next time. Bye.